Happy Friday, we're out in the shop again. We've got a couple cool cabinets that I want to show you. Let's take a peek at this one right behind me. So if you can, try to ignore the bright green and the bright blue cabinet. This is the one we're going to focus on. It's a slab veneer door with some saw kerfs or CNC routes in them. Looks like a white oak with a stain and potentially a highlight. Really cool linear look. Alright guys, we've got kind of a fun angled cabinet we're going to take a look at. Great use of storage for the angled cabinet, so it could either follow, a stairwell going up or even a vaulted ceiling. Let's take a look at the storage. Looks like there's probably going to be a door that goes right in here. I think these little ones are false angled fronts. Door, nice little cubby for storage, and then these two drawer fronts are on one large drawer box. Alright, so also on the line looks like a little vanity hair station or makeup station. Let's open it up. Some tapered legs. Looks like a little storage area in here. Open it up and it's a mirror. Back in panel doors, and this caught my eye. Looks like it could be a door or maybe some sort of an insert with a chevron detail. So right now these are just loose components. Looks like up on the bench here they are gluing one up. As always, thanks for watching. Happy Friday, and stay tuned and subscribe for more content.